It'll all blow away if you don't tie it down. As you can see, it's very windy here. Hey, how's it going? We're here at the Oxbow Pond. It is the end of January. We haven't touched it this year. There hasn't been much ice. There's been 2 freezes, and there's only a few holes on the ice because it was about 55 degrees the other day and rained and flooded with ice and water. Look at this beautiful ice here at the Oxbow Pond. We're trying some shallow spots here. The Oxbow Pond here has been known for pike, and I caught a pike on it last winter, but we didn't do much ice fishing. It was the first season that we're really trying ice fishing. First fish of the day. Woo!
It's a struggle, but
yeah, there's something. We just got here, just got set up.
turning.
This is good. Just take your time.
I can't. This thing
Man,
is. What's going on here?
just kneel down a little. Let
Hold
it.
on. I just keep it attention now. I gotta.
Damn.
Damn. How you gonna malfunction now, bro?
All right.
Alright, still on though.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, it's a pike.
Yeah.
Pick her up.
Oxbow Pond. Here's a nice little perch. Throw him down the hole.
Big fish, big bait.
Yep.
That worked.
There we go. Couple of waxies.
Devoured it, man.
Yeah.
He came right up and ate it. This thing does work.
Yeah.
Perch.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna
This
switch
is
to.
bait.
The rattler. Nice.
Get out of here.
Alrighty. Here we go. Another nice fish. Nice pickerel. Here's blown away. It'll all blow away if you don't tie it down. As you can see, it's very windy here. Nice.
Cool.
It's a
Handfish here.
Yeah, a bunch of fish. Nice. At least we found a good hole.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a big crappie. That's a giganto.
Oh my god. What the hell? This is my personal best here.
That is a good crappie. Yeah, we're gonna need some pictures of that boy.
Oh man. Let me grab it out. What the hell? What the heck, dude? Dude. Want me to come out?
Nope, that's good right there. Nice. That is
In
a
my
nice
hand, there's like
I know.
twice almost.
It's a big one.
I'm gonna measure him later. All the way to the, whoa. I'm gonna keep him though.
Yeah.
Sorry. This one's gonna have to go home with me. Can you believe that?
That's nice.
I would win the competition with this one.
Oh yeah.
Right? Come on, man. Come on. No, I don't think it's a crappie.
Something good.
It's a trout, I think. He just should drag like crazy.
Yeah.
My thing is tight.
Nice, it's that afternoon bite, man. Start. Yeah. It's a big boy. He's fighting.
Ooh!
Nice.
Oh, flying bucket.
Oh, pickerel.
Okay.
Good, he unhooked himself.
Quick release.
That was cool.
That was not a bad pumpkin seed.
Nope.
They're biting though, man.
Yeah.
You dig them from the bottom,
Yeah.
they'll come up. Couple feet up.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. The Oxbow Pond. We got a few good hits. We only spent about 4 hours out here, so, you know, by the time you get set up and everything, we really only fished for about 3 hours. But it was a good one. Stay tuned. Till next time, quit bitching and start fishing. If you liked our video, hit the subscribe button.